How to delete custom feed in Reddit tutorial. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you were signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the three lines on the top left of your screen and further scroll down and you will see the custom feeds option. Tap on that and then tap on the feed you want to delete. Once you have opened the feed, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. Now, in the menu that appears, you will see the custom feed delete option. Tap on that. Now, in the pop-up that appears for confirmation, tap on the delete button, and with this, your custom feed will be deleted. So, this is how you can delete custom feed in Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.